Hey y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural, the channel that's all about tips and tricks for beauty entrepreneurs and beauty entrepreneurs in the 9-to-5 workspace. In today's video, we're actually going to be going over some cute, easy, remote or in-person work hairstyles. And it doesn't need any explanation. If you're struggling and you need some ideas, then keep watching. The first one we're going to talk about, because this is me almost every single week, is some twist. So after I wash my hair, I just put my hair in the twist because they're so low maintenance, and I can either wear it down like so or pull it back in a ponytail, which I usually do a lot of the time since I am a remote majority of the time worker. If I am doing some of my makeup clients or my hair clients, bridal clients, etc., then I usually also like to keep my hair on my face, so most likely my hair is back. Alright, so of course a hairstyle is with it just down, either that's from a twist out or a wash and go, or if you stretch your hair, then that's also an option. But that is not one of my hairstyles. I just wanted to put that out there. So the next one is we're going to part this down the middle. Rough part, nothing crazy. And I usually like to have a little bang here and a little bang here in the front. And then what I'll do is loosely, if my hair is curly, then I'll do this, loosely pull my hair back, and then I'll loosely put this in a bun, like a loose bun, and wear my hair like this. And then you can slick down the edges, but I usually don't because it looks just so cute like this. Although this is appropriate for work, I would say that you can also rock this hairstyle for date night, ladies night, etc. Super easy and quick. Okay, so for hairstyle number 3, we're actually gonna take all of this up, and okay, first let's create a side bang like so. So we're just gonna take some of this hair here and leave it out. Then we're gonna go ahead and pull the rest of the hair, and you'll slowly start to realize that I like loose buns, not super sleek, unless that's the style of course I'm going for. But now that you have all the hair at the top, you want to go ahead and put this in a bun like so. And then you also have your bang. And with any of these hairstyles that I'm talking about, you can throw on a headband or a wrap like this. See, so now you have this cute bang, this cute headband. I mean, this is a scarf in your bun. Okay, so for hairstyle number 4, ooh, look at this. You want to go ahead and split it on either side. I'm gonna go on this side. I kind of already had it split. And what you want to do is loosely or tightly, depending on what you like. I like loose. I'm just gonna go ahead and create a quick flat twist here. You could do a flat twist or a braid, but for me, I just wanted it loose. And so this is going to be pulled back like so. And then you just want to go ahead and do the same thing to this side. This side is lower. Okay, like so. And then you can either just clip this top part with bobby pins, which I don't know where the bobby pins are, back like that, and leave the bottom half down. I've actually worn my hair like this a few weeks ago, and I got a question like, wait, what do we have going on here? Like, this looks so cute. So yeah, you'll twist both sides to the back. You could do it down a part down the center or to the other side, either way, and then you can pull this back. The good thing about this is that you can actually go ahead and wrap this up like this. So you just flip the hair over that part of the hair like so, or you could just put it in a bun, whichever you like. Okay, so now for the final hairstyle that I like to wear because they're easy and they look nice, presentable, is I actually already have a part going here because that's the way my twists were. So I'm going to, on this side, pull out some curly or something of some sort, and then you can either brush this side down or do a twist. I'm just gonna pull it back because I kind of like the puffy look like that. And then on this side, you want to create like a swoop. So usually I can create a swoop with my hair without having to do it separately, but if you do have to do it separately, create a little bang here, and then also pull out a curly piece on the side. Pull these hairs backwards into a bun like so, and I'm just gonna do a loose bun. If you haven't noticed already, loose is what I got going on here majority of the time. And then you just want to create a nice little swoop and then pin it back. And now you can make this swoop tight or loose like I have mine. Like I said, I prefer loose, but then you have both of these pieces here, and it just looks very nice. It looks cute to me. I mean, these earrings would go well with it, or some studs of some sort, but I'm loving this style as well. In this video, we went over 5 easy, convenient, remote or in-person hairstyles that you can rock for work virtually or in person. And these are styles that you can either do on a fresh wash and go or a twist out like I did. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and let me know what other work related videos you would like to see. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and be sure to check out these other 2 videos here, and I'll see you in my next upload. Toodles.